This is a meditation that's designed to help you relinquish those feelings of self-doubt. We live in a society that pressurizes us. There are so many expectations that are put on our shoulders. And when we can't fulfill those expectations, we begin to doubt ourselves. We begin to think, I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy. I can't. Whether we say that consciously or unconsciously, it's usually a big player in many people's lives. The key to overcoming self-doubt is changing that story, which comes from a simple change in perspective. If you can change your perspective in life, then it will allow you to change the way you interact with the world. This will change your energetic output, and therefore you'll be more receptive, and then you'll be able to receive more from your life. Attitude and gratitude create success. So in order for us to change our perceptions, we need to change those stories that we have in the back of our minds that tells us that we're not good enough. When we're at work, we don't feel good enough. When we're at home, doing the chores, looking after our families, we don't feel good enough. It's no way of living. And I'm here today to help you to change that. What we're going to do today is we're going to tap into the unconscious mind. Unconscious states are achieved when we allow ourselves to enter an extremely relaxed state. This is when we become more influential. And I'm going to positively influence you by telling you some truths when you are in this unconscious state. This relaxed state will allow you to dig in deeply into those belief systems. And once you're in there, that's when we can reprogram it. So first of all, I want you to pay attention to your breathing. How are you breathing right now? Are you relaxed? Are you stressed? Follow my breathing pattern now. Take a deep breath in. Hold at the top. And breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Hold at the top. And breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Hold at the top. And breathe out. This is your time now. You've given yourself this time to relax. So go ahead and give yourself permission to do so. Feel at ease with your surroundings. You are secure, you are safe in my presence. All I want you to do now is simply focus on my voice. And the more and more you pay attention to my voice, the more and more deeply relaxed you feel. You may feel tensions begin to ease, whether that's in your back, or in your feet, or in your forehead or shoulders. All those things that you were feeling tight with before are now feeling loose and soft, and your body just feels completely comfortable and grounded where you are. My voice is all you need to listen to. I'm going to tell you some truths, and I want you to allow it to become a part of your consciousness. These truths are exactly who you are. You are confident. You are free. You are powerful. You are strong. You are worthy. You are capable. You are just as good as anyone else. You can do what you need to do. You can achieve your dreams. You can live a happy and successful life. You can enjoy life. Now, I want you to start saying these statements as if you are saying them to yourself in your head. Repeat after me. I am powerful. I am strong. I am confident. I am worthy. I am just as good as anyone else. I am unique and special, and I have worth. I am more than able to achieve my dreams. I am a loving person. I am a caring person. I am a good person. I don't need to doubt myself. I already know exactly who I am. I'm going to let myself break down these walls that are surrounding my true self. I am going to free myself from society's expectations. I'm going to rid myself of the pressures and anxieties that have been forced upon me. They are not who I am. They are simply attachments that have been magnetized to me, that are against my wishes. I am not these attachments. I am so much more. I am powerful beyond measure. I am not going to doubt myself for 1 minute more. I am more than capable and just as good as anyone else. When I wake up from this meditation and become more conscious, I will feel and embody these statements, and I will feel truly capable. Listen to my voice. You are slowly and peacefully going to become more aware of your surroundings. If you have your eyes closed, open them up now and look around you and begin to wriggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and just feel at ease with everything that's going on around you. You're safe, you're secure. And just give yourself 30 seconds or so just to wake up properly, do some stretches, do what you need to do to become more conscious. Thank you for listening today. You are more than capable, and you are ready to walk with confidence in life. Now is your time. Thank you for listening.